and 2 Play-Dohs, and a feather. Okay, let's start. A sticky feather. Okay, first, you put it here. Now first, you put the other one here. Okay, now first, you put them a tiny here, and the other one goes here. Okay, now first, we need this kind of toothpick. Then first, we need a feather. Okay, let's bounce on my finger now. Now let's bounce on the cup. Okay, now let's bounce on here. That much far. Yes! It's doing it. Yes, 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 yes. See? It's bouncing. Because the feather can balance, but not the Play-Doh. Now, try on this bottle. See, the feather can bounce on there too. It never falls. Okay, now, let's flip it. And let's see what happens. Yes! It did work! Okay, now, let's try that one. Yes! It's working! Now that one. If it does balance. Yes, yes, it's working! See? The toothpick bounced on this coffee filter and on my head first. Okay. So, let's balance here. It does work. It is working. Yes, it is working, friends. When it comes along between your... Now, let's go here. Okay, now let's balance on the chair. Corner here. Balls! Go, 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 go. Go and bounce, go and balance. Yes, it does bounce on the chair too. Now on the corner.